A new search type, Dwell, has been added to Secure IQ version 3.00.2. A dwell search will detect objects dwelling in a region of interest. An object is dwelling if it is mostly stationary. To perform a dwell search, navigate to Monitoring, Video Monitoring, then click the Video Search button. Enter a camera name and select a camera from the returned list. From the Search Type drop-down, select Dwell. Select a time range and using the calendar icon, select a start date and time. You can also use the area selection tools and draw a region of interest or select a predefined alarm rule previously configured on the VideoEdge NVR. Under Advanced Options, enter a dwell time. Once all parameters are selected and the search button is clicked, the device search results will populate. From here, users can view and export the footage.